Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is GB and today I'm going to show you how to fix AirDrop problem on your iPhone, and this is a step-to-step guide, so please stay tuned. Normally once the picture is up, you would click on this share button and it will bring up this menu. Here you'll have to click on AirDrop and it will bring up this menu where the list of items or devices available to receive your photo are available. Here I'm clicking on MacBook Pro and this will now show a little circle around and says sent, which means the completion of the AirDrop. However, when the problem arises, when you try to send a picture by clicking AirDrop, you might see a blank screen and also it might display some message like no people found, which is a problem, and this is why this video is all about, and this video will now guide you towards all the steps of fixing this problem. If you're ready, let's go and fix it now. Step 1 would be looking at your Wi-Fi setting on your iPhone. To do this, simply click on the setting menu here. Once you're in there, locate where it says Wi-Fi, click on it and it will bring you to this page. On here, this toggle bar is green. Press on it to turn the Wi-Fi off and press on it again to make it green, which means the Wi-Fi is turned on now. We then move on to step 2, which is the Bluetooth settings. Simply again click on the settings. It will then bring you into this menu again. Click on the Bluetooth and as you can see, Bluetooth is turned on at the moment. Press on it to turn it off and again press on it to turn it back on again. For some people it might solve the issue. Try airdropping your picture. If it does, problem is solved. If it doesn't and the problem persists, we move on to step number 3. Step number 3 is the VPN setting. Simply click on the setting option again. It will bring you to this menu. Click on VPN and if it is turned on, simply turn it off. If you were to go back onto the previous page, VPN should show as not connected. Again, we go through the checking stage. We check if we can send the picture via AirDrop. If we cannot send the picture via AirDrop, we then move on to step number 4. Step 4 is looking at the contents and privacy restrictions. Simply click on settings, scroll down until you get to screen time, click on it and it will bring you to this menu. Here scroll down again until you see the option that says content and privacy restrictions. Click on it and under here click on allowed apps and features. Here make sure that AirDrop is turned on. We check again if we can send the picture over. If we cannot send the picture over, this is when we will now move on to step number 5. Step 5 is resetting the network settings on your iPhone. Click on settings and it will bring you this menu. Go into general, click on general once you find it, which is here. Once you're in the general settings, scroll down to the option that says transfer or reset iPhone. Click on it and it will bring you to this menu. Click on the reset tab and under this setting, click on reset network settings. When you get this page, enter your passcode, and once you have entered your passcode here, your phone will then restart. Let it restart. Because you have reset everything, it will forget your Wi-Fi and all the password needs to be entered again. So go on and add your Wi-Fi network. It might ask you to enter the password, so just enter the password and your Wi-Fi would be up and running. Now go and check if your AirDrop is happening. If not, then the problem still persists. And we now move on to step number 6. Step 6 is basically iPhone restarting. To do this, all you have to do is locate the buttons on your phone. So on your iPhone, on the right hand side, there is the power button, and on the left hand side, you have got volume up and volume down button. So we'll be using volume down button from the left hand side and power button on the right hand side. And when you are ready, if you press those two buttons, keep pressing until you see this sign. Once you see the sign, simply slide the bar to power your phone off. Now once the phone is turned off, please wait for 10 to 15 seconds and that's when we then turn the phone back on again. To do this, we simply press the button on the right hand side, which is the power button, until you see the Apple logo. Wait for your iPhone to come back to the lock screen. Once it does, type in your passcode and get in. And this is when you can now try sending the picture via AirDrop. If it works, great. If it doesn't work and it still comes with the error message, we move to step 7. Step 7 is iPhone hard restart. Please feel free to pause this picture to see what to do. It has got the instruction written here as well. We press and quickly release the volume up button, press and quickly release the volume down button, and we keep pressing the power button until we see that Apple logo, which I will show you shortly. And it says in there as well, this process will force restart the iPhone. However, the data is not lost on your phone. On the left hand side of the phone are the volume up and volume down button, and on the right hand side is the power button. Place your phone on a flat surface and press the up button, press the down button, and keep pressing the power button. Keep pressing it until you actually see this Apple logo. This is when you can release your finger and you wait for the phone to restart at this time. Once the locker screen appears, enter your passcode and get in and try sending the picture again. If it works, problem solved. If it still doesn't work, then this is when we move on to our step number 8. Step 8 is to check software update for your iPhone. To do this, simply go to settings, press on it, and then on this page here, you need to scroll down to general, click on it, and go on to where it says software update. Click on it, and it will do this little update check, and if there is an update like this one, it will show up here. Once you are happy with the update, you click on update now, put in your mobile passcode, and once you have done that, it will install the update and then it will do the whole restart. It might take a while, so sit back, get yourself a drink. Once your mobile is ready, enter your passcode and get in and check for AirDrop again. If it allows you to send it, problem solved. If it still doesn't allow you to send it, now we move on to the receiving devices. On the iPhone that is to receive this AirDrop item, make sure that the Wi-Fi is on, Bluetooth is on, and AirDrop receiving is on. All of these three items can be found under the settings. If you click on it, click on Wi-Fi now and then check that the Wi-Fi is turned on, which should be green as you can see on the screen, and then go on to Bluetooth and check again it is green and turned on. To ensure that AirDrop receiving is turned on, click on settings and click on the general button. Once in general, go down where it says AirDrop, and after that click on where it says everyone for 10 minutes. This means that you can receive AirDrop from basically anyone at this time until you then change it back to contacts only. If your receiving device is a MacBook or iMac and you're experiencing this AirDrop issue on your iPhone, we then go and follow the similar steps on your iMac as well. Click on settings, which will open up this page here, and under this one we check for Wi-Fi, making sure that Wi-Fi is turned on our receiving device, which is blue here, and then we check on Bluetooth again, make sure that it is turned blue, which means it's turned on. And finally we go into general and go on to AirDrop and handoff, and here again go on to where it says AirDrop and it says contacts only here. Click on everyone. This way the laptop is ready to receive. Now go to your original iPhone and try sending the file via AirDrop. If it doesn't still work, this problem need to be raised via Apple support team. Please go on to the website where you can raise this problem with the Apple team, and hopefully you will get the relevant support needed to solve this issue. Well, that's the end of the video, guys, and thank you very much if you have made it to the end. I hope this video made sense, and if there is anything I could improve on this video or you think I could do anything better on my next video, please don't forget to give me some suggestion on that comment section below. And also guys, if this video has helped you in any way, please don't forget to like this video. Please feel free to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. And for instant notification, don't forget to hit that bell icon, and it will send you all the updates on this channel in the future as well. Once again guys, thank you very much for watching and stay safe. See you in the next video. Bye.